let's go back to that gradient now. If I want to add a third color, right now I have two colors. I have yellow to blue. If I want to add a third color, I come over to my color palette, and if my color palette's not showing, again, you go to Window, and you'll see I go to Color here, and there's a check mark, which means it's there. So I click on my color palette, and let's say I want to add any other colors here. I'm going to click on, let's click on red. So I click on red. Notice how this changes over here, but it didn't change over here. What I simply do is I go to the red color swatch, click on it, and drag that color into this bar, and notice what will happen is it'll change the colors. But notice it didn't change it over here. So what do we have to do? Always select your object first. Click on the color that I want, and then drag that in. And now it shows I've gone from yellow to red to blue. And again, I can use these adjustment tools however I want to, and I can come back in here and change it. Now, let's say I don't want to have the blue in there. I just want it to go from yellow to red. I come over to where I have the gradient tool. I click on the blue, and I simply drag it down. And by dragging it down, notice it disappears, and now that'll disappear. And again, I can come back in here, and I can change that to any gradient that I want.